Very cold. It's cold. It's cold. These people over here looking at us like we're crazy. Okay guys, it's April 6th, I think. We're out here at the lake. We're trying to get up the nerves to go wakeboarding. It's cold, very, very cold. But it's 80 degrees today, but the sun's not out, so it's kind of not the best conditions. But the sun was out this morning when we decided to come out here, and now when we decided to get in the water, it's pretty cold. But trying to ease myself in. I wet my head. I still haven't got my stomach or back in the water, but I'm going there. I'm getting there. Six feet apart. I think that's pretty good. Now let's see how many times I'll wipe out this year. With everything that's going on with this COVID-19, it's kind of like, you know, when will we be able to travel again and everything else. We'll see. Anyways, let's enjoy this. Fell. Ooh, that water's cold. Ooh. Oh man, what a day to have a wetsuit, you know? Middle of April. Well, that's actually the beginning of April, but it was hot this morning. We came out here to find some treasure at the sandbar. This is cold. We're here at the sandbar. I'm about to go under. Got the goggles. Let's see what we can find. I don't think I'll find anything today. It's still pretty early in the year for people to be out here partying or anything. So maybe by midsummer we'll come out here in the prime of the season and we'll be able to find some treasure. I was kind of hoping I'd find something out here from last year, but the dam is right there. So things probably move pretty quick on the bottom. I don't know. I'm gonna search for a few more minutes and see what I can find. I made it. I can't touch it anymore. Get out of the water. It's about to rain. It's cold, buddy. I'm shivering. I don't have anything but a tank top. Gotta go to the house. We are in our COVID-19 social distancing. We're staying 6 feet apart. And nobody else is out on the lake, so we're having a blast. It's a little chilly, but make sure you guys like, subscribe,